So we will talk about E32 PTC failure. PTC is like you are using a temperature sensor into your VFD, like you are using temperature application. Okay. So PTC failure occurs when input positive terminal conflict thermistor actives or connection to the PTC fails. Okay. Like if there is no value on the VFD, normally if I will say. Check the motor and PTC, verify temperature of motor is within the nominal range and PTC is set up correctly. Okay. So check wiring of PTC thermistor to drive. Connection should be landed on RR and CC terminal. Verify programming F645 and 646. Match thermistor being used. Inspect the motor and driven equipment for issues prior to clearing any fault. Use one of following methods to clear the fault. Like you need to press AS3 and then reset and then 4 to clear. Okay. So this fault typically occurs by overheat on the motor as detected by the PTC thermistor. Like your motor is overheated. Okay. So this indicates that the motor has reached preset thermal level. Before attempting to clear, verify that motor has cooled significantly to continue the operation. This means like when you are trying to restart your motor again, your VFD again. So please check like motor temperature is normal. Okay. This fault can also occurs when wiring connection to the PTC to drive is damaged. Okay. So there will be the wiring between the PTC and VFD. So you need to check that also, like that wiring is proper or PTC sensor is not damaged. Okay. So you need to cut and reinstall all the wiring. And this trip can also occur parameter F645 set incorrectly. Like might be you have wrong parameter setting into F645 and 46. And so for that, if to check, you need to check AS3 installation operation manual, okay, and try to resolve or try to check all the wiring is proper and all the parameters are proper. If you will use these instructions, so definitely you will get the solution for this issue. If still it is the same, so there could be issue into like motor. If it is occurring frequently, there could be issue into the motor. You need to repair your motor or check your motor. And if it is occurring continuously when you have proper setting and value also are proper, wiring also is proper, so there could be the issue into the terminal of VFD. So that also could be damaged, like control card or VFD also could be damaged.
If still your problem is not resolved, you can write a mail to me on email ID incassalesone@gmail.com. And I have one PDF also that is chargeable. But with that, you will get a lot of knowledge about the VFD and VFD problems and how you can resolve the issue related to